Bakers, you ready? Welcome to the Delicious Bake Club.
My name is Phoebe Wood, and today I've got some really exciting news to share with you. We've launched a delicious baking range. There's something so perfect about the combination of golden syrup and bananas, and that's why we've created this beautiful upside down golden syrup and banana cake. So let's get started. So firstly, for this cake, we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees. And then we're going to line a non-springform pan with baking paper. In your baking mix box, you'll have a sachet of golden syrup and your cake mix. We're going to put half the golden syrup in the base of the cake pan. And then I've got some beautiful ripe bananas, which I've just halved horizontally, and we'll just place them cut side down in the pan and make sure the face of the banana is really covered in that golden syrup. The base is ready to go, we'll just set that aside. Now to make our mix, we have our banana cake mixture, and then we have some softened cubed butter, which I'm just going to rub in with my fingertips. Toss the butter in the cake mixture to coat, and then just rub into fine crumbs with your fingertips. All we need to add are the 3 remaining ingredients. For this, use really ripe bananas, and you need about 3/4 cup, and lightly beaten egg, and some milk. And then just stir to combine. Now we'll add our batter to our cake pan. So just pour straight over the top of the bananas. Once you've added all your batter to the pan, you can just smooth the top lightly with a palette knife or the back of a spoon. And then this is ready to bake. We're going to bake this for about 50 to 60 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Our upside down cake is ready. It smells so incredible from all that cinnamon and nutmeg in the cake mix. It's been resting in the pan for about an hour, so I'm just going to invert it onto a serving plate now and pour over the remaining golden syrup. A moment of truth. It's a really good one. Now for that added wow factor, I'm going to add the remaining golden syrup. To take this to the next level, I'm going to make some simple candied macadamias and a salted butterscotch sauce, both of which are so easy you can have them going at the same time. So for the macadamias, I'll add some grapeseed oil or some vegetable oil. I'll add some toasted macadamias and a little bit of golden syrup. Cook the macadamias for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're nice and caramelized, and then just turn them out onto a lined pan to cool. So in the meantime, I'll make the butterscotch sauce. We need brown sugar, butter, cream, and a pinch of salt flakes. The candied macadamias are ready, so I'll just turn them out onto a lined tray and we'll just leave these to cool. Our salted butterscotch is also ready. It's been bubbling away on the stove, so we'll just leave that to cool for a bit before we serve the cake. To serve our beautiful upside down cake, I'm going to scatter with caramelized macadamias, pour over the salted butterscotch sauce. Now the part that I've been waiting for, the taste test. And those macadamias and salted butterscotch will really take it to the next level. For this recipe and more from our new baking range, head to delicious.com.au.